Hello everyone and welcome back to Notes Naka. Today I am going to give you an overview of InfoEdge interview experience of full-time offer on campus. So let's get started. So the shortlisting criteria was that you need to be a BTech student of either CSE or ECE, and there was no such cutoff on the basis of CGPA. Then the round 1 was the online test. For this you have to first register on the First Naukri platform, and then you had to give the test on that platform itself. So the test consisted of two sections, mainly aptitude and coding test. So the first section of aptitude contained questions related to logical reasoning, time and work, distance, speed, time, percentages, profit and loss, etc. The second section was also MCQ based. So this covered the core subjects of CSE like computer networks, operating systems, DBMS, OOPS concepts, as well as input output of the code and debugging codes. And some questions of data structure and algorithms were also asked, and these were also MCQ based. Now if you are shortlisted in this online test, you were selected for the technical interview. So the round 2 was the technical interview. So the types of questions that were asked were coding questions, short questions on DBMS, OOPS and computer networks, question based on your projects, and SQL queries. So in the second round, you could be asked to write SQL queries, and the coding questions had to be coded into an online IDE, as well as the core subject questions were short, to the point, and questions related to the projects in this round were an basic overview. Now moving on to the round 3. This was also a technical interview, and similar questions to the second round were asked, like the topics was the same, and also questions based on your projects might get detailed. So in this round they focus more on your projects, but be prepared for coding questions as well as theoretical questions, and a shared IDE will be provided so that you can write the code and SQL queries there itself, and the questions will be given on the IDE or by the interviewer. Now if you cleared the third round as well, in which coding questions were like you have to merge two sorted arrays, reverse level order of a binary tree, and string rearrangement, and also puzzles are an important part of these technical rounds, so be prepared with them as well. Now if you are shortlisted in third round, you will move on to the HR round. So the HR round contained general interview questions and question based on your CV, and after this the results were declared. And thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such content, and if you want coding questions in detail as well as their solutions which we have mentioned in this video, please let us know in the comments below. And thank you for watching.